share ko lang episode kayo nanggap inyo na just like your mind is keep on looking around and your eyes is closed. It's really to be honest, I wish that I have someone that I can share my feelings, like to open up. But there's some reason that I keep on holding it because I don't want I don't know if they will like it or not. It's really hard. I want to cry. Sorry. I wanted to cry, but I know that lagi po may tabo ko. Ngilak po muna. I decided to turn on the light. I cannot explain my feelings right now.